Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to move columns in Excel. Shifting columns in Excel helps you reorganize data for better readability, improved analysis, and streamlined workflow. So let's start the video. First, open your Microsoft Excel worksheet. So this is our sample data with information like name, job title, and age. Now what if we want to move this name column after job title column? So first we need to select the column we want to move. Click on the letter at the top of the column. In our case, it's column B. So click on it. You can select multiple columns as well. Now press and hold Shift key on your keyboard. To shift the column, hover your mouse over the edge of the selected column until you see a four-sided arrow cursor. Click and hold the left mouse button. Then drag the column to its new location. You will see a faint outline of the column as you move it. Release the mouse button and the column has moved to its new position. So that's how to shift or move columns in Excel. Thanks for watching.